subscribe with notifications on.
In a Kasi, when you look at them, South Africans, they are successful. These are hustlers. And some of you guys are jealous. You say, oh, I want hey, what? Hey, listen to me. There's no one bewitching you. There's no one. If you are a failure, you are a failure because you can't do nothing. Your hands, the matey, your hands are wet. You can't do nothing. Wake up. Learn from these guys. Wake up. You see, now I'm not angry, I'm talking nicely. I'm trying to give you advice. Right? I'm trying to give you advice. Some of you, it's up to you to take my advice. Take it or leave it. But all I'm saying, let us learn to live together. Nigerians, you can learn from them. Zimbabweans, you can learn from them. You know how many Zimbabweans I know? You know how many Nigerians I know? How many Somalians I know? Tell me something. Do you think if you can wake up in the morning and take at least 1,500 and open a spaza shop in your area where you stay, and go to the other section and open another spaza shop, and go to another section and go open another spaza shop? If you are in Mamelodi, go to Mamelodi East. Ubule shop on also. Utu Mamelodi East yoko samkoko West ubule shop on also. Ubule maybe open maybe 4 spaza shops in Mamelodi West. Ubule maybe 4 spaza shops go Mamelodi East. Ubule 8. Tell me how much money you're going to be cashing out each and every month. The spaza shop is a shop that is not even legalized in South Africa. You don't even need to have a license. But you are failing to do that. You are failing to even open up a spaza shop. You don't need to have a license for that. You can just open a spaza shop and put it there and start running it. I'm not saying go and open a supermarket. I'm not saying that. But you can make something out of your life. Stop being lazy, guys. South Africans, we are lazy. Hey, listen to me. Now, tell you straight, South Africans, we are lazy. And the people that complain, mostly, if I hear you complaining on my channel, I know you are one of the lazy person. Take my advice. Learn from those guys. Learn from those foreigners. Learn from them. Trust me, your life will change. I've learned to live like a foreigner in my own country. And maybe so, for sure you saw some of my videos. Now I travel, guys. I travel. Let me give you a tip. Now listen. You can go to Hong Kong. Hong Kong, there is a night market. And Hong Kong is the same as you getting into a taxi. If you want to go to Hong Kong, it's the same as you getting into a taxi from Cape Town, CBD. Let's say you are going to Mowbray. Or from Cape Town, CBD, you are going to Kailicha. It's the same as it's the same as you getting a taxi from Pretoria, you're going to Johannesburg. When you go to Hong Kong. Even when you go to Thailand, Bangkok, let me tell you something, the good thing about these countries. If you go to Thailand, if you've got 1,000 rand, you've got 2,500 rand in Bangkok. 1,000 rand, you are richer in Bangkok. And your life will be perfect, Bangkok. Life there is very good, very sweet. You can get an apartment for about 3,500 rand for the whole entire month. Apartment. Can you get an apartment in South Africa? I'm not talking about a room. I'm talking about an apartment for 3.5. In South Africa, you can't even get a room for 3.5. But in Bangkok, you can get a room, an apartment, an entire apartment with 2-bedroom, lounge, kitchen, or a kitchen and a bathroom and so forth. Life is good. So you just book a flight. without you having to worry about visa or anything, you go. The problem about you guys, you are scared to travel. South Africans are scared to travel. You think South Africa has got everything. Don't lie. South Africa will suffocate you. South Africa will make you suffer. Go out there, learn, travel, see the world, see what other people are, how other people are living their lives. In that way, you start living a good life. But if you keep on focusing and say, oh no, I'm South African, South Africa has got everything, I can't travel and so forth, it's your problem. Sorry guys, I had to put the thing. Right. It's your own problem. Understand? So if you do that, you need to learn to actually travel around, guys. Travel around, travel around. It's very important. Alright, sorry guys. Sorry, that thing had fallen. Right. So travel around, guys, is very important. Travel around and go out there and explore the world. When you travel, you get to meet people. You meet new friends. You can go to Bali, you can go to Indonesia, Jakarta. Buy clothes, come back here and sell. You can have 10,000 rand and buy clothes in Hong Kong or Bangkok. Come back here and sell. You'll make 90,000 rand. Out of 10,000 rand, you'll make 90,000 rand or almost 100,000 rand. Because their clothes are very cheap. You get something like a cell phone, you can get it for about 750 rand. A cell phone, 750 rand. A cell phone that is worth 4,000 rand in South Africa. 750 rand. A cell phone that is worth 7,000 rand in South Africa, you can get it for about 1.2. Understand? You buy those ones, you come back here. If you're scared, you don't know how to send them back to South Africa, use companies like Aramex. Let them send it to South Africa. While you are there, put them on the courier company. Let them come. They will ship them. You can even buy clothes at Shein. At Shein is a company online. Shein is a very trusted company. You can buy clothes and you can sell. Right? You can sell. So there's so many things that you can do, man. There's so many things. Stop your focus. South Africans are suffering because of their focusing too much on foreigners. South Africans are suffering because you are focusing too much on foreigners. You suffer because you are focusing too much on foreigners. Stop focusing on foreigners, then you'll see your life will be better. Guys, I just wanted to say to you, as a South African, as a foreigner, if you want to stay safe in South Africa, take my advice. Do as I told you. Don't go to the location. Go to a better places where you can stay. South Africa is a very good country. Very good country. It is free. The thing is, South Africans don't understand that they are being oppressed by their own government. But you must remember one thing. The hawks only investigate South Africans. The hawks doesn't investigate foreigners. Ask yourself why. Ask yourself why. The hawks only investigate South Africans. They will never investigate foreigners. Ask yourself why. I won't say much, but I want you to think. Think. Use your own mind. Guys, we will talk again. Again, I'm saying to you, thank you very much. Subscribe, share, and like the video, and spread the word out there, guys. We are trying to help our South Africans to open our minds. South Africans, open your mind. If you want to be successful, follow foreigners' leads. South Africans, follow foreigners' leads if you want to be successful. South Africans, if you want to be successful, follow foreigners' leads. Then your life will change. Alright guys, thank you very much.